Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Okay, today we are learn about movie. So let us pray according to our belief before we start our lecture. Pray start. Finish. Okay, look at the instruction number 1. Use the type of film in the list below to answer the question that follow. Oke, kita lihat di sini ada 6 pertanyaan ya. What type of film? A. It's full of funny scenes. Oke, it's referred to a comedy ya. B. It's about two people in love. A romance. Okay, C. It's full of action and dangers. An action film. Is D. Has frightening scenes. A horror film ya. E. It's about space technology, aliens, or life in the future. A science action film. And last one has moving drawing, exactly a cartoon. So B, what type is each of the film in the picture? Oke, picture yang nomor 1 ini, a Snow White and the Seven Dwarf, a cartoon ya. Second, with the title Gone with the Wind, it has a couple. I think it's a romance ya. And the last one, Home Alone. Ini udah terkenal banget ya. A comedy. Okay. That's all for the answer, the question for the part number 1. We move again to the next part, number 2. Look at to the instruction. Read the Bronze film review for his school newspaper. Di sini ya. Jadi si Tom Brooks ini mereview film untuk his school newspaper with the title 101 Dalmatians. Read the question number 1 to number 9 and answer them. Okay, we look at to the question ya. Jadi before we start to read this article, kita lihat dulu questionnya apa aja yang ditanya. Number 1, what type of film is 101 Dalmatian? Jadi di sini ditanyakannya tipe filmnya apa. Number 2, who is the director? Direkturnya siapa? Number 3, who is the cast? Artis pemerannya siapa aja? Number 4, where does the story take place? Di mana ya? Habis itu nomor 5, who are the main character? Main karakternya siapa aja? Number 6, what does Cruella want to make? Apa yang ingin dibuat oleh si Cruella ini? Number 7, who steal Pongo and Ferdi's puppy? Siapa yang mencuri anjing yang bernama Pongo dan Ferdi tadi? Ya, nanti kita baca. Number 8, where do they take them? Kemana mereka membawanya? Them ini refers to Pongo and Ferdi Papis tadi ya. Number 9, what does Tom think about the film? Okay, we look at to this pamphlet. 101 Dalmatians. Director Stephen Herrick. Nah, ini jawaban yang untuk nomor 2 ya. Cast-nya itu ada Glenn Close, Jeff Daniel, ada Joel Richardson. Nah, ini question-nya. Answer yang untuk question number 3. 101 Dalmatian is a fantastic comedy. Nah, ini dia, fantastic comedy. Berarti ini jawaban untuk nomor 1. The story take place in and around London. So, this is the question for the question. This is the answer for question number 4 ya. In and around London. Oke. Number 5. The main character. Nah, oke. The main character. Ini jawaban yang untuk main karakternya ya. Number 5. Main karakternya ada Cruella de Vil, an evil fashion designer, Roger and Anita, a kind couple, their 2 Dalmatians, namanya Pongo and Ferdi, and of course the adorable Pepis. Nah, jangan yang lain yang juga diculik ya. Cruella is a horrible woman. She wants to make a cut from the fur of Dalmatians puppies. Nah, ini jawaban yang untuk nomor 6. To make a cut from the fur of Dalmatian puppies. Okay. She ordered her 2 assistants to steal Pongo and Ferdi's puppy. Nah, jadi yang mencurinya siapa? Her 2 assistant-nya atau Cruella's assistant. Oke, ini yang jawaban untuk nomor 7. Where do they take them? The assistant take them to, nah ini dia jawabannya, an old house, sebuah rumah tua, and keep them with some other stolen Dalmatians puppies. Pongo and Ferdi decide to save the puppies, and their adventure begins. 101 Dalmatians, it's an amusing film for the whole family, don't miss it. Nah, jadi what does Tom think about the film? 101 Dalmatians is an amusing film. Ini jawaban yang untuk nomor 9 ya. So, we look at again to the instruction number 3. Match the word to their definition. For example, number 1. Cast, it refers to actors and actress in a film. How about take place? Take place refers to yang letter E. Happen. Kapan tempat terjadinya, di mana, misalnya bisa itu. Number 3, main character. Main character is refers to the letter yang H ya. Letter H. The most important person in book, film, and others. Fashion designer, I. Person who design clothes. Couple, A. Husband and wife. Puppies refers to baby dog. Fur refers to animal coat. Yang C ya. Order refers to yang G, command. Assistant refers to helper. And the last one, steal. F, take something that isn't yours. Okay, that's all the answer for the question for part number 2 and number 3. We look at again to the section number 4. Okay, number 4 nggak ada ya? Okay. Number 5, use the verb in the bracket to form adjective as in the example. Jadi, we really enjoy ourselves because it was a very entertaining film. Jadi dari verb entertain, kalau diubah jadi adjective, dia entertaining. Oke, we try to the next number ya. Number 2, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea is very interesting. Interesting book. Number 3. Number 3, the film was very boring, so I fell asleep. Number 4, I finished the book in one evening because it was a very thrilling, ya, thrilling story. Mendebarkan. Number 5, many people thought the director's new film was disappointing. Number 6, the little boy watched a frightening film. Number 7, Star Wars is an amazing science fiction film. Don't miss it. And the last one, number 8. It was a touching story. It's about boys' difficult life. Okay. We move again to number 6. Number 6 ini apa katanya? Use the adjective from exercise 5 to write sentences about film you have seen. As in the example, Die Hard 2 is a thrilling film. Okay. We try to make another example. For example, No Time to Die is an interesting film. Oke, itu misalnya ya. Contoh nomor 2-nya. Kita coba contoh yang lain apa lagi? Romeo and Juliet is a touching film. Tadi ya. Oke, apa lagi contoh yang lain misalnya? Kuntilanak is a frightening film ya. Okay, next we look at again to the part number 7. They need us to use the key and information about the film below to complete the paragraph about the last word Jurassic Park and try to write similar paragraph for the other film. Okay, we look at to the last word Jurassic Park. Nah, ikonnya apa? Menyatakan kalau exciting. Makanya kalau dibuat dalam bentuk paragraf, the lost word Jurassic Park is an exciting action film ya. Habis itu the story take place. Di mana take place-nya? Lihat terhadap yang ada di sini ya. Take place in Costa Rica. The main character are the scientists. Siapa saintisnya? Dr. Ian and Dr. Sarah Harding ya. And siapa lagi N-nya katanya? Ada si Roland Tembo ya. Roland Tembo as the witch hunter and the frightening dinosaurus. Okay. Next, we try to Pocahontas. Pocahontas, kalau kita lihat icon key-nya di sini, it's amusing action ya. Pocahontas is an amusing film. The story take place in America. The main character are siapa aja ini? Nah, ini tinggal disalin aja ya main karakternya siapa aja. Bisa dilihat di sini ya main karakternya The American Indian Princess, yaitu Pocahontas, ada Captain John Smith. Nah, di sini tinggal dipindahkan. Sama juga yang untuk other film seperti Romeo and Juliet, di sini berarti dia a touching film. Kalau yang murder, kalau lihat di sini boring film ya. Nanti untuk text place-nya tinggal dilihat masing-masing informasi yang terdapat di leafletnya. Okay, we move again to the next part, number 8. Nah, di sini look at to the table. Jadi ada sign love itu refers to the recommended film ya. Kalau cross itu kayak disappointing. Jadi kita disuruh untuk ngetik dari kata-kata yang digunakan itu mengarah ke recommended atau menyarankan untuk tidak ditonton. Oke. Kita lihat ini, don't waste your time watching this film, berarti disappointed ya. Don't miss it, nah recommended. It's a must, recommended. Don't bother with this one, disappointed ya. I really recommend it, oke, recommended. Oke. Jadi kita juga disuruh untuk menggunakan kata-kata ini untuk the next exercise. You want to know, we look at to the part 9 ini ya. Use the suitable phrase from exercise 8 to give recommendation for the following films. Nah, ini dia. Murder is a boring film. Jadi dia menggunakan kata-kata don't bother with this one. Jangan, nggak usah ditonton ya. Number 2, Romeo Juliet is very touching film. Misalnya, kalian bilang don't miss it. Ya, oke. Yang tadi lagi Pocahontas is amusing cartoon for the whole family. It's a must, misalnya ya. Lagi. The Lost Jurassic Park is an exciting film. I definitely recommend it. Oke, seperti itu. Makanya tadi di atas diberikan beberapa contoh terkait itu ya. So we look at again to the part number 10. They need us to use conjunction word and so or because. Yeah, we try. This is about Popeye and his love, ya, olive oil. Popeye goes to sweet heaven. Blank, he wants to find his father. Oke, yang cocok kira-kira because, ya, because he wants to find his father. There, he meets olive oil and they fall in love. After a while, they find a little boy, Sweet Pea, and take him home. Buto also loves olive. So one day he kidnapped her. Buto take Olive to his house and lock her in a room. Popeye decided to save her. So the adventure begins. Oke. Itu ya jawabannya. Kita lihat lagi yang nomor 11. Nah, 11 ini agak panjang. 11 ini apa aja? Read the question below and read the dialogue and fill in the missing question. Oke, kita lihat ya. John, I saw a great science fiction film on TV last night. The E.T. the extraterrestrial. Really? Nah, apa nih kira-kira pertanyaan yang cocok untuk jawaban in a small town in America? We look at this ya, list. Kira-kira itu adalah tempatnya ya. Where does the story take place? Okay. In a small town in America, I see. Nah, pertanyaan kedua apa? Untuk jawaban, well, there is Elliot, a young boy, Mike and Gertie, his brother and sister, and of course, E.T. This is about main character ya. Who are the main characters? Okay. Apa pertanyaan nomor 3? To the answer, E.T. is a lovable creature from outer space. Who is E.T. Ya, it sounds interesting. Jadi ini, what is the plot of film? Well, Elliot find E.T. Jadi Elliot ini menemukan E.T. when the others alien leave Earth without him. Ketika alien selain meninggalkan bumi tanpa dirinya, tanpa si E.T. tadi. Number 5. What happened then? Apa yang terjadi kemudian? Ya, what happened then? Elliot takes E.T. to his house to hide him. He takes care of E.T. together with his brother and sister. Siapa namanya tadi? Mac and Georgie tadi ya. They also teach him things about life on Earth ya. Oke, number 6. Untuk jawaban, well, E.T. love his new friends. Oke. Jadi pertanyaannya, how does E.T. feel? Well, E.T. love his new friend, but he miss his family and wants to return home. That's sweet. Jadi pertanyaan yang cocoknya apa lagi ya? Pertanyaan yang cocok, kemudian, oke, the last one. What happens in the end? The children find a way to help him return home. Wow, it sounds like a great film. You must see it. Okay, that's all. So we become to your tasks. Jadi di sini saya ingin kalian membuat tugas yang berbeda, yaitu membuat suatu video. Nggak usah terlalu panjang, 2 atau 3 menit saja udah oke. Jadi kalian menceritakan tentang film yang sudah pernah kalian tonton ya. Kan banyak itu contoh-contoh orang seperti yang nge-review film. Ada kan banyak di IG gitu, di TikTok. Nah, coba kita buat tugas kali ini berbeda. Kalian menceritakannya dalam bentuk bahasa Inggris. Alurnya bagaimana? Alurnya tinggal mengikuti ini. Kalian pilih salah satu jenis film, terserah kalian yang kalian suka. Terus kalian jelaskan type of the film. Nah, misalnya the E.T., the extraterrestrial. Di sini kan sudah dijelas kalau tipenya itu adalah science fiction film. Habis kalian menceritakan tentang tipenya, kalian jelaskan bahwa cerita filmnya itu terjadinya di mana, main karakternya siapa aja, bagaimana plot dari film tersebut, dan opini kamu tentang film tersebut bagaimana. Apakah merekomendasikannya atau tidak merekomendasikannya. Itu aja ya. Tugasnya dikumpulkan 1 minggu lagi sebelum tugas. Sebelum ujiannya. Kalau nggak ada kalau misalnya ada pertanyaan, boleh kontak via WhatsApp. Okay, I think that's all. And thank you for your attention. Have a good day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.